Yo, what is up, YouTube and the Monster Club? It is yours truly, the life of the party, the young Gohar, and like a bag at the airport. Don't leave your girlfriend or someone you're interested unattended when I'm around because I am the party monster. Back in the house of Monster, back out with a brand new video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a very special mystery unboxing from, I want to say, Sneak City, based out of Seattle and everything. Like, I've met both the girls that run the shop. They're both really cool and everything. And yes, but it also could come from Goat. So honestly, I have no idea where it's gonna come from until I actually see the shoe myself. So there's that. But honestly, your boy is coming off of a really crazy night. Like, I'll show you little inserts from last night, but it got wild like real quick and made some new friends, maybe more than a friend. Who knows? We'll see how that plays out. But Homegirl was definitely someone that I kind of feel like was trying to talk to your boy for a while now. So, and I just didn't pick up on it, but her homegirl was like kind of like the middleman in the situation. So it just kind of just fell into place, and you'll see in the little clips and whatnot. But yeah, other than that, I'm super excited to show you guys what I got in the box and everything. But before we do all that, I gotta show you something I just picked up actually yesterday from the Goodwill, crazy enough. We got another pair of the Jordan 11 Low Barons. I have about 7 pairs of these. I kid you not. Like, this has definitely just been that shoe for me. Like, just something about this colorway, the patent leather. Granted, these are definitely piss yellow, but I got something very special in the works with these. So I'm kind of okay with them being like they are now because you're going to see them again. Just put it out there. But other than that, hope you guys are having a great, safe, blessed Saturday. And yeah, and just to kind of keep things in perspective, we are literally 35 subscribers away from my next shoe giveaway. So if you guys want a chance at some free shoes, and I know you guys do watch some of my videos, hopefully I do appreciate it and everything, just hit the subscribe button and you do have a chance to win a pair of free shoes from your boy. I don't know what the next shoe is going to be, honestly, offhand, but I'll definitely figure out something as I get closer to that 200 subscriber threshold, and it just keeps going forward. Every like 100 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway, and I'm actually working on another couple of little other things, like maybe doing some sneaker battles with you guys, and maybe doing like a hour-long live stream every Saturday called my happy hour, where I just come and talk to you guys, and we just shoot the shit, and we just talk and chill and everything. But yeah, there's just some things I'm on the woodworks, and hopefully they'll happen really soon. Like, I'm definitely working on the Rumba Monster and everything, and you guys will be seeing that again very soon. Like, just know your boy is constantly working. And other than that, one major announcement, I know I am talking to guys ear off right now, we have Monster Mania, the very first annual Monster Mania, kicking off in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, April 7th. I want to say 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern time at some local bar. The details will be kind of figured out as we get closer to it. But yes, I'm going to be out there. We're going to be drinking beatbox, kicking the shit, and just having a really good time pre-gaming before WrestleMania and everything. So again, pull up on your boy, come hang out, and let's just have a vibe. So yes, without further ado, let's get it. So, of course, you already know what time it is. We're going to take a toast to the Monster Club, the best club on YouTube. I love you guys. I got the Four Loko USA on deck today. Probably my favorite Four Loko. Cheers to you guys. You guys are the best. It's kind of after the fact because would have already done it before I upload this video, but make sure you follow your boy on Whatnot at Party Monster. I'm gonna be doing a lot of like kind of pop-up random shows and everything, probably on like the Saturdays that I'm not working and whatnot, which will be definitely next Saturday as well, because your boy has gotten a lot of unfortunate free time, which sucks because I'm trying to plan a vacation, but we're gonna get through it, so I'm not too worried. You know, I got God looking out for me, so I know everything's gonna work out, and a great family support system, so we're good. And yeah, other than that, I know I've been just talking so much in the start of this video, which I don't like doing, but I think I'm gonna add some sneaker battles to this channel as well. So yeah, I think you have a great collection, then challenge your boy. I'll put it up on my channel and we'll have a fun time regardless. So there's that. But yes, let's just get into the box finally. And like I said, I don't know where it comes from, so let's just be surprised together. Ooh, okay, we got a Jordan box on deck, so it's not Sneak City. And now actually you know what the shoe is, so there's that. Jordan 1 box, size 9, Air Jordan 1 Retro OG High. I know what shoe this is. Let's get right into it. Oh no, I am dead wrong, but this is a favorite nonetheless. It is the Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard 3.0s. Yes, I forgot I had bought these, and I want to say they are, I guess, no, well, yeah, they are. Here they are, check them out. I kind of forgot I ordered these, but these are super clean, and I live near Baltimore, so this will definitely be like a nice little fit for like an Oriole jersey or some shit. But yeah, here they are. What the hell's wrong with the top of my shoe? Like, definitely some flaws or whatever, but I don't know, they are dead stock. They have like the little sauce. Not the biggest deal. I don't know. It's like a, I don't know how to describe it. I don't know. I'm not even sure because it's not that big of a deal, but these are super clean nonetheless. Here's the right shoe. There's the left shoe, as you guys can see, both factory lace. I forgot what I paid for these, but I don't know, these are like really clean in hand, honestly. Like, I really forgot I got these. Like, this is crazy. Like, this is, I mean, these are fire, but yeah, I kind of forgot I own these. But here they are. Check them out. Check them out. I really rock with this. It's like just so subtle and clean looking. So I don't know. I can't say enough good things on there. They're cool. Okay, guys. So that's gonna do it for this video. But before we do the header and close out, I want to see who's really messing with me right now. I want to see who's still watching the video. I want to see where the real Monster Club members are right now. If you guys are still watching me, drop a PM in the comments, because that definitely showed me that you guys rock with the party and everything. So again, if you guys are with me from like the start, or even just really rock with me heavy, I do appreciate it. I do love you guys. So here's another toast to you guys. Monster Club, you guys are the best. But yes, that's gonna do it for my first look at the Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard 3.0. Definitely a clean shoe, and definitely a shoe I really rock with. Again, I was super surprised to see them, but I love them nonetheless. And you guys will be seeing them again in a full in-depth review very soon. But until then, if you like the video, hit that like button. Definitely share it with a friend. Let's get this thing popping up. I want to see these numbers run up and everything. I want to see you guys rocking with me heavy, because I rock with you guys heavy and everything. But other than that, until next video, you guys can always follow me on X at PartyMonster1 and on Instagram at PartyMonster05. But until then, don't be a dick. Be excellent to each other. Party on, dudes. Peace. I love you. Bye.